was a well-timed ambulance. Hello, guys. 6:30 in the morning. I am sat in the balcony of my friend's apartment. Went out last night. We crashed here. And I just thought I'd share this with you because that's loud. Sorry, car driving past. I just thought I'd share this with you. The sunrise. Nothing like a sunrise of Bath, 6:30 in the morning, when you should be asleep. That crow has been annoying me for the last 10 minutes. I'm thinking about going back inside. But no, it was good. I got some water. But no, it's nice, fresh air. Ooh, different sounding crow. So yeah.